if you're a pet owner and you've stumbled upon this video, guys, this is a reminder na this new year, where every paputok is magbo-boom talaga by 12 midnight on December 31. This is a reminder na huwag niyong ilalabas yung pets nyo. Ayaw ninyo igawas inyong pets. Gawa sa balay. Nga naman, why? It's because it might cause anxiety sa ila, Because kanang mga buto-buto, those firecrackers and fireworks, the sound will cause anxiety to the pets. I don't know if you've seen the post, but I've seen it on Facebook. It was a Pomeranian, and yeah, it had an anxiety attack. I think nag-collapse po siya, and then nahirapan siyang huminga, and the dog needed to be oxygenated. So yun, yung mga anxiety attacks kasi could manifest with increased heart rate, labored breathing, nahihirapang huminga, minsan nagko-collapse, at yung iba naman minsan din nagsi-seizure. So it's very important, guys, na kung meron tayong room sa bahay, the most soundproof room that we have at home, we place our pets there during the fireworks and firecrackers blowing off by 12 midnight on December 31. Okay? So, what you could do at home, guys, if pwede nyo silang i-wrap, yung anxiety wrap, but pwede namang hindi necessary i-wrap nyo. You just need, kung meron kayong pet clothes na medyo tight, you could let them wear that. That would mimic na parang inaano natin sila, niyayapos natin, hinahag natin yung pet. So, pwede na kayo siya ka na inyong gamitin ka ng medyo tight lang, no? And then also, kung na may mga old bitaw nga mga sweaters or socks, katong parang rubber band sa tumoy nga baga, pwede nyo i-cut. Himo ninyo ear muff. Isulod lang ninyo ilang nawong para makover ilang ears. For the meantime, while na yung mga nagbuto-buto, para di kayo sila ka-feel, para hindi nila ma-feel yung mga paputok or yung sound, because that would really make them very, very anxious. And most importantly, yun nga, guys, huwag nating ilagay sa labas ng gate, sa kalsada, yung pet dogs and cats, kasi yun yung pinaka-severe na sound and ma-overwhelm talaga sila. So, for them to not feel anxious, for them to be safe, keep them inside our homes, dun sa mga rooms na very, very soundproof. Yun lang, guys. I'll just continue my skin prep before I go to the clinic because it's December 30 na kasi ngayon. I think it's a great time to send these reminders to all of you pet parents out there what to do during the 31st. Kasi I think that time, most of the clinics will be closed. So, dapat dobleng ingat na lang din po tayo. Okay? Bye-bye!